In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build and set up an AI chatbot in HubSpot within minutes. Whether you're a seasoned marketer looking to streamline your customer interactions or a newcomer eager to explore the world of AI chatbots, this guide will help you set it up quickly and efficiently. Let's jump right in. The first thing you need to do is head over to the HubSpot homepage. It's important that you navigate to the correct site so you can access all the necessary tools that HubSpot offers. Once you're there, look for the login option. By clicking this, you'll be prompted to enter your account details. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to create one first, but assuming you're already set up, go ahead and sign in. After logging in, you'll arrive at your HubSpot homepage. This is your main dashboard where you can access all your marketing, sales, and service tools. For our purposes today, we're going straight to the automation section. This is where the magic happens for setting up automated workflows, including our chatbot. Look for the Automations tab and click on it. Once you're in Automations, find and click on Chat Flows. This is the specific tool in HubSpot that will allow you to create, manage, and customize your chatbot. It's quite user-friendly, and as you'll see, it doesn't take long to get things going. Now, you're just a few clicks away from having your own AI chatbot up and running. The next step is to click on Create Chat Flow. This will initiate the process of setting up a new chatbot. You'll be presented with different options for where your chatbot can live. In this case, select website to make the chatbot visible and interactive on your business's web platform. This will help you engage visitors on your site, answer their questions, and guide them through your offerings. After selecting the website option, you're ready to move forward. Hit next to progress through the setup process. HubSpot will guide you through configuring your chat flows settings, such as the appearance, availability, and automated responses. This part is essential for ensuring that your chatbot meets your brand's needs and speaks with your audience in the right tone and style. Finally, when you're satisfied with your settings and configurations, click Create. With this final click, your AI chatbot is officially live and ready to assist your website visitors. Remember, you can always go back into HubSpot to tweak and optimize your chatbot as you gather feedback and learn more about your visitors' interactions. There you have it, folks. In just a few minutes, you've set up an AI chatbot in HubSpot. It's ready to enhance your customer service, generate leads, and provide a seamless user experience on your website. Thanks for watching, and happy chatbotting.